Alright, my name is Mackenzie Barker, and this is my slideshow. I want to be a counseling psychologist. Counseling psychologists specialize in treating patients with behavioral disorders and anxiety, stress, and emotional crisis. Their duties are scheduling of patient consultations, determining and assessing patients and their issues, developing and implementing specific treatment plans, individual and group counseling, and keeping a complete record of a patient's mental health history. So the required education to become a counseling psychologist or any psychologist, you need an associate's, bachelor's, master's, and doctorate. It can take up to 11 years in total. Most states require counseling psychologists to have a doctorate, either a PhD or a PsyD. A doctorate typically takes 3 to 5 years to complete, including a bachelor thesis and an internship during your last year. So that is the required education. So my relation of education to 4-year plan. I said that with my 4-year plan, I will have graduated with a bachelor's in psychology, but since I want to become a counseling psychologist, I have to have a doctorate. So I will graduate from BYU, Idaho with my master's degree and most likely apply for graduate school somewhere else. And the reasons why I am majoring in psychology. I'm very passionate about the mind and all there is to learn about it, and I also want to make a difference. And I believe with the degree in psychology, I can help people understand their mind, how to control it, and just knowing that can make a huge difference in your life and how you live. And I know I can excel in this field because I'm passionate about it. So, yep, that is all for me. Hope you enjoyed.